Lava lamp experiment. For lava lamp experiment, materials required are clear glass, vegetable or baby oil, water, food color and fizzling tablet. Fill the glass about 1/4 full with oil. Now add water and food color. You will notice that the oil and the water do not mix and the oil floats on top of the water. Drop the fizzy tablet in the glass and watch the reaction. The science behind it: density and polarity. Oil is less dense than water, which is why it floats on top. The molecules of oil are non-polar, while the water molecules are polar, causing them to repel each other and not mix. Chemical reaction. The fizzy tablet sinks to the oil and begins to dissolve. When it reaches the water, this creates carbon dioxide gas bubbles. The lava effect. The gas bubbles are less dense than the oil, so they rise to the surface, carrying colored water droplets with them. When the bubbles pop at the top, the water, which is now heavier, sinks back to the oil, creating lava effect.